Guys, today I'm looking at some cool earbuds from Soundpeats. Now, why are these so cool? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scenes for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the Engine 4 high-res earbuds from Soundpeats. Yes, high-res. And not only that, they also support LDAC. LDAC? What is that? Hang about, I shall come back to that in just a minute. Now, before we get into it guys, Soundpeats sent me these Engine 4 earbuds in exchange for my honest review, and you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. Now, first up, as we open the box, we have the earbuds themselves. Taking them out, we have two compartments which house the USB-A to USB-C charging cable and some spare ear tips. Turn the cover over and we've got an instruction manual and an introduction to the app. Yes, of course, there's always an app. Now, back to the earbuds, and you know what guys, this case looks good. It's pretty typical of Soundpeats and it's around the same size as the Apple AirPods Pro case. And guys, you know what? It's cool, it's shiny and it's black. There's like a song like that, isn't there? Young, gifted, cool, shiny and black. Anyway, so on the bottom, you've got a pairing button and you've got the USB-C charge port. Now guys, when you open it up, you can see a green LED, which if you press and hold the pairing button, the LED turns white and you get a spoken prompt to tell you that the earbuds are in pairing mode. The LED also gives you a red, yellow and green battery indication. So you know what, if you're green, you're probably all good. If you're red, probably time to charge these. Now guys, the buds themselves are held in magnetically. So taking them out, you know what, they look pretty cool. You know, they've kind of got this kind of diamond cut styling to them, I guess detail to them. They've got the nice S for Soundpeats logo on them and a few nice gold accents. We like that. They also have a red dot with R for right and a blue dot with L for left, so you kind of know what ears to put them in. And now guys, what makes these so special? Well, you know what, these Engine 4s are packed with some solid tech. You got the latest Bluetooth 5.3 and you get about 12 hours playback. 12 hours, that's not bad, on a single charge. And you get up to 43 hours of total charge from the charging case. And also guys, these bad boys have something called coaxial dual dynamic drivers. And in these drivers, you get microphones in the way. In these drivers, you get a 10mm woofer and you get a 6mm tweeter, which apparently, according to the documentation, these deliver deep bass, clear treble and crisp mids. So guys, combined with all of that high-res audio and LDAC, these are meant to be pretty damn awesome. Now, what is high-res audio? Well, I can tell you now, this isn't meant to be an in-depth tech review on high-res audio, but in a nutshell, high-res audio tends to refer to music files that have a higher sampling frequency and bit depth than a CD, which is specified at 16 bits and 44.1 kilohertz. Now, sampling frequency or the sampling rate refers to the number of times samples of the signal are taken per second during the analog to digital conversion process. Is your brain hurting? No? Well, let's carry on. Now, the more bits there are, the more accurately the signal can be measured in the first instance. So going from 16-bit to 24-bit delivers a noticeable leap in quality. Now guys, high-res audio files usually use sampling frequencies of 96 kilohertz or 192 kilohertz at 24 bits. Now, there are some other variations, but in the main, that's pretty much it. And also guys, you get that LDAC. Well, you know, I mentioned LDAC in the beginning of this video. Well, this is a proprietary audio coding technology which was developed by Sony, and that allows high resolution streaming of audio over a Bluetooth connection at around 990 kilobits per second at 24 bits and 96 kilohertz. Now my brain's hurting, but anyway, you know what? This is used by various products like earbuds and headphones and things like that, and also Android phones. I mean, sorry, iPhone users, no LDAC for you right now. You also get a game mode, which gives you low latency, I think it's about 70 milliseconds response rates, which means basically when you're playing your game and you're listening to something wirelessly, you know what, your audio is going to sync up with whatever the game is. I mean, this is playing a game, I think. Probably not anymore, but for me it is. But guys, yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So now controls. Well, like a lot of these earbuds, the controls are kind of touch and tap, right? So tap this, touch that. You know what? You can do pretty much everything, including play, pause, skip tracks, activate your voice assistant, adjust the volume, and, you know, answer and hang up phone calls. So pretty much everything. Now guys, to that all important feature of an earbud. How do these sound? So let's pair it up, set up the app, and have a listen. Now guys, now that we're all paired up, let's take a look at the app. I've already got the app installed because I've got other Soundpeats products that I've reviewed, but in order to get these Engine 4s to be seen, I had to update it, so no big deal, pretty much normal stuff. Now, straight away, you can see that the earbuds are in the list, and you can see their battery status. And again, from here, I can adjust volume, I can change EQ settings, I can enter that game mode, and, you know, quite a lot more. I can even disable the touch control so I don't change anything by mistake. So you know what, if you're out for a jog or you're doing something like that, a bit more manual, and you don't want to sort of touch anything by mistake, yeah, you can do that. Nice touch. And also you can see from here, I can also update the firmware. So that's a nice touch. And you know what, it says there's a firmware update, so you know what, let's do it. Now guys, update all done. Let's fire up some tunes. Now I'm going to start by leaving all the settings as they came out of the box, so they're all neutral. Listening to a few tracks, I can say that these sound incredibly clear. Now, they're not going to satisfy you if you're a bass head, because when I turned up the bass all the way on the equalizer, you know what, it was kind of okay, like, so no thumping bass, but the writing in the documentation about crisp mids and nice highs, etc., I would say that's bang on. So if you're a bass head, no, these are not for you. But if you like nice detailed music, which I do, then you know what, these are pretty damn good. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. These Engine 4s from Soundpeats are a nice crisp sounding set of earbuds. You've got LDAC and high res, you've got solid connection with that Bluetooth 5.3, as well as that impressive battery life. My only negative is that there is no proximity sensor, so when you take the earbuds out of your ears, the music keeps playing. But guys, you know what, it's not a showstopper. It's, you know, something they might, maybe there are some sensors and they haven't done it, you know, they haven't implemented it in the software yet. I don't know, but that would have been a nice touch. I mean, these are pretty new and they don't actually go on sale until the 6th of June. So if you head over to the Soundpeats website, you can grab these at an early bird rate. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really makes a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to Soundpeats for sending me these rather cool and very nice sounding wireless earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.